Right there. He's not. Yeah, right. This one. Why is he not coming out?
Give him time. He's coming. Here we go.
No, I had it like super good. That's not gonna.
Dad, why is he coming to me?
Because he probably just see your big figure.
Cause on my feet is a. He thinks I'm his. Dad, he thinks I'm lifting my legs up so he can think I'm bigger.
Did you see the wood, the nails?
They're kind of long.
I felt like they would work through that thick wood into that. I don't think so. I think it'll hold it in perfect. Because I told you I still got the clip thing, so I can still clip off the ends if it's too pointy, you know what I mean?
Leave that go. Leave that alone. Well, I think it would probably be better if you glued it first.
We don't have a glue.
What about Ellis?
I could have sworn we had glue. We technically gotta get the middle and stuff.
Yeah, but now that we got all that, that's the middle is easy to get. It was the stuff that was, the heavy stuff around the edges.
Oh my God, there's two of them, y'all.
You don't push it. Oh, no, cord somehow.
You good? I'ma mute it.
I'm like,
It's gonna go on YouTube.
Daddy, is he gonna be running around like with a shell on his head and like like that shell on his head like?
Yeah, don't get just like Mogul. I already know about this type and Quail's crawling up my crack for days about him.
I cannot see him.
If you're not from out,
Like,
you got nothing.
Where am I?
What do you mean?
He's like,
Tell everybody, come on, get out.
Straight off the
get out.
Come on, you get out your eggs. Come on.
Come on, your brother and. Wait, is that one a girl or boy?
I don't know. We won't know until like 2 weeks.
That can be a girl, but this Batman's a boy. That's a boy, and this can be a girl.
Give it to you. What do I get in return?
Big bad thing.
Grandma, I'm gonna put this pretend penny in my hand and flip it in there. I'll put my pretend penny right here. Kick. That's how he did it in the movie.
Wow.
Yeah, this. I'm this here right
Sounds to me like blackmail. Fine.
Grandma, these are fake eggs.
Are they?
Yes.
That's a big priority, you see.
How about the back of your black clear? Huh? Is that blue or is that white? Okay.
I used it before.
That one is what? But we
What
try
I mean?
that one. I mean, we can screw it and then you can always add the glue later. But I mean, I doubt it's real.
Oh my God.
come, baby, so I can vacuum. Now I want to make sure I get all the glass up. Go over there. Go over there.
Nehemiah, what did you say? Stay over there. Okay, Mama, take that glass.
Oh, where's the bag at?
Great care. Now they're used for hookers and peeler bars. You know, guy wants a blonde, the girl's a brunette. Ah, knew I had it. Yeah, I was buddies with the guy who figured that out back in the day. Who was it? Doc Holliday.
Really? That was his name? His name was actually Doc Holliday?
No, Bill. He figured out some bank thieves were using fake things to give us a slip. Doc created a free.
Yeah, but why'd you call him Doc Holliday?
I did. Guys, of course.
Why did that?
Oh, I don't know.
Was he a doctor?
What? No.
There's gotta be a reason.
I don't know. Maybe he liked vacation, right? The point is, we use the scrambler to glitch the back. Force him to go to whatever low-rent property you got the thing from and get it fixed.
Listen, we just started this conversation.
I need where's that plastic fork
A
at?
whole lot of time.
Grandma, this is what they're trying to do. She's trying to buy money
Gave
on
me two
my
low-rent
and
brothels.
buy money
I
on
said it
this.
to you. Ready, Luke?
Khadijah, give me
What's the difference?
a plastic fork or something.
Wendy's has the red light district.
Be careful, baby.
It was on the cycle.
I'll take cycle.
Actually, take Wendy.
I want.
But this whole doll thing doesn't work. I think I got a really nice gift shop.
You know what they don't have, Swagger? A frequency scrambler that piggybacks on local signals. What's that trigger issue coming inside the city?
Yeah, so I got running to whichever property he bought it from to fix his face.
You already had a pop signal.
Goddamn. What cases? You getting hit on your end?
Yep. Swimming in pro-sexual.
Why do you do it on my
Look at me. I can make a whole nother delta.
Your face. You were that killer. Yes. Goddamn thing.
Grandma, there's gas coming out of the car.
He's in for a surprise.
Hup, doo, hup, doo, hup, doo.
All right. Maybe Jimmy's birthday won't be a total disaster after all.
You'd settle for a partial disaster?
Well, Chalmers will be there. Smiley fucking face. I ever tell you that about him? He's always smiling. When you first meet the guy and you think he's had a stroke or something, and you realize he's just one happy asshole.
You guys are pretty close, huh?
What's up?
If you want to, you clean out filtering and clean your filtering, so people can always go back over the mirror tour. But while you going over the